Hello, my name is Shira Fisher, Technical Support Specialist and Lead Trainer at RJ Murray. We're going to be going over one of our NFC boards. This is the new board that's going in our furnaces. It has NFC connectivity, which means you need to program it with the Carrier Service Tech app on all installs for airflow, and also if this board needs to be replaced, you also need to program it because it does not come pre-programmed from the factory, which the best part about that is you can have a handful of boards that will go into a multitude of furnaces. So for service, this is absolutely fantastic. So let's start. First, you need to bring up the Carrier Service Tech app I have right here. We go to Connect Equipment. Click Furnace NFC. Let's first go into Installer Setup. Now we're going to press Connect here, but the NFC portion is right here. You see a little phone here, the little Wi-Fi symbol. NFC is the same type of technology you use as for tap to pay on your credit card, so you have to get really close to this guy. And this has to be an unpowered device also, so make sure when you're doing this on a live furnace that the power is turned off. Hit connect, and we scan. Okay, it's connected. Now you see we can set our heating airflow. Right now we have it at setting 16, but it will show you the designated speed recommended for this unit. So let's bring that down. Hit OK. Let's go to cooling airflow. Right here, select your tonnage. Let's say we have a 3-ton unit attached to this, and it will give you recommendations for airflow. Let's hit that to 10. Everything looks good here. We do have the upflow horizontal installation, and let's just say this guy is not twiddled. So continue. It will show you the adjustments that you've made. Hit continue and scan. And it was successful.